winter is here, which means for some of us, it's annoyingly dry skin, right? More and more redness, more and more flaking. And some of us, along with dry skin, have dry, acne prone skin. And if you're like me, you would understand that choosing moisturizers in winter is a little bit of a process. We have to be slightly more mindful, I think. So, I want to talk about a few tried and tested moisturizers that I use through winters and that really serves me. This is an entirely non sponsored post. Nobody's paid me. I have my tried and tested Bioderma Atoderm cream. It is my all purpose, all season moisturizer. I put it on my face, I put it on my body. It goes on after the active, sometimes before sunscreen, when my skin is especially dry and flaky. These moisturizers that I'm going to talk about, mostly, I think all of them are fragrance free, priced at around $6.99 or so for 200 ml. I think it's a really great budget option. I really love this moisturizer, but if you have acne prone skin like I do, find it too heavy, just check in with your dermatologist if this would work for you. I'm not saying it's very heavy, but some people might find it greasy. I don't, but I have extremely dry acne prone skin. And for the price, it's amazing. It's super barrier building as well. When my skin is facing a lot of flakiness, I find this to be the one that I turn to. This happens to a lot of us who use prescribed actives. The next day, you face a lot of flaking around the eyes. For that, there is the trusty Avene Cicatrate. I have talked about it numerous times. This is a really good healing moisturizer. It's all purpose, but I don't usually apply it all over my face. It is excellent when I have flakiness around the mouth and the corner of my eye. I apply it after my entire routine. I skip the actives when I have flakiness. It does an excellent job. I have reviewed a lot of them separately. I will put down some of the link in the comments if you want to check out. This one comes for 1900 rupees or so. This is not cheap, but it is extremely good when you have severe dryness. Next up is the Paula's Choice Oil Free Moisturizer. And some of you might find it surprising that I'm talking about this because this is a very lightweight moisturizer. In winters, I have to moisturize my skin before I use a sunscreen because it gets really dry. During other season, I tend to sometimes skip the moisturizers and go straight over to the sunscreen. But in winters, I cannot do that. My skin gets super dry. So I use this below my sunscreen or even below my prescribed retinoid in the night. And this is an excellent moisturizer. It's light but super heavy duty. It has ceramides, licorice root for the redness. And I honestly think it's one of my favorite gel light moisturizers, and it is available in India. This comes in a 15 ml tube. Normally, it's available for 1,000 and some rupees. When there are sales, it's slightly cheaper. I know it's expensive, but I haven't been able to find another moisturizer that does the job for the daytime. So I think it's excellent. I'm down to the last moisturizer that I wanted to talk about. This is a relatively newer addition, the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm. I've been always excited about it, but they recently launched in India. So I got a tiny tube because I thought I will try and use it in place of Avene Cicatrate when that gets over. I have used it a few days, but I really like it. It is not greasy at all. A great option if you want to try it out. In case you find the Cicatrate too expensive, it's available on Nykaa. This one I will use just like I use the Cicatrate like on my drier patches, not on my face because I'm acne prone. If you have really dry skin, you might want to use it all over. And if you don't have acne, that is. But if you have acne, always check with your derm if you can use this all over your face. This is nice, but I think I'll take a little more time to decide what I think about it. This is the first time I'm using it. I hope you guys are having a nice winter. If you have found other moisturizers that have really worked well for you when your skin is dry or flaky, put them down below and I'll try to check it out. For now, hasta la vista. Also, please don't forget to subscribe.